Setting up product feeds across multiple advertising platforms doesn't have to be complicated. With Smart Feed, you can sync products directly from your SHOPLINE store, connect channels like Google or Meta, configure product rules, preview your feed data, and submit product, all from one centralized workspace. For example, a beauty brand can create separate feeds for skincare and makeup campaigns, while a fashion merchant selling internationally can localize currency and language for different markets without rebuilding feeds from scratch. Whether you're managing one channel or expanding across multiple platforms, Smart Feed helps you maintain consistent product data and scale your advertising operations more efficiently.